Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yancy. Today we are officially finally playing with my Reach the Sky Mario theme saving challenge. This one will save me $1,000 and I am so excited. But before we go ahead and continue, oh my gosh, you guys, we do have an IOU, so I'm gonna take care of that. There is an $8 IOU, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're wondering where this challenge is, it's on my Etsy shop. You're only going to receive the challenge. You're not going to receive the IOU, and you're not going to receive the envelope because as a popular demand, nobody wanted the IOU and nobody wanted an envelope, which I understand is not for everybody. So I only did it for myself. So please do not expect to get an IOU or an envelope, or do not expect to get a little like paperclip. This one I only had a little bit, so I send it out to random people. So I do not have that either, just in case if anyone that is new and it's wondering. Okay, all right guys, so also we're doing our monthly saving challenge, which I am so excited about, you guys. All right, let me close this bad boy up. So this is the $95. So look, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So I have 95 already here. This is what I'm going to put in the envelope. And the reason why I just have it there is because I have made it into ones, and then we're gonna play with this and then after transfer it. Hope that makes sense. But before I continue, I will say this cutie patootie will be restocked after June. It's already on its way home, aka to me, to my place. But let's go ahead and do our monthly saving challenge, shall we? Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So it's a double roll. You only get to do one roll, but if you want to save with me double, you sure can. Oh my gosh, why am I getting ones? That's okay, that's one for you guys. But if I get one in my double roll, I am not doing that. I am not doing that because my goal is to save 150, and I know I'm not gonna make it though. We got $2, yo. What is going on with me getting $2? Do you see this? Look, 222. What is going on with me doing $2? Like, really? Like, come on, man. Come on now. All right, so I'm gonna get a 5. So we're adding $3. So I have a 5. And I'm going to take away, my goodness, I'm going to take away $2 because I'm going to put in a 5, and we're actually going to count to see how much I have. I think I have exactly 100 and something, like 102, 103, I don't know. All right, so we're gonna take away $2, and now let's count because I really want to know how much we have so far. I never count, but since I'm on a goal to see how much I'm going to save, y'all, it happens. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, $107, y'all. Oh, I'm so sad. But it is what it is, right? Okie dokie. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Because, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to play this cutie for the longest. When I tell you the longest, baby, the longest. Okay. So this is where we left off. This is my IOU. And this is where we left off. Okie dokie. So this one is for $10. So I'm going to go ahead and get $10. We got a lot of ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so $10 gone just like that. And we're going to get one of those cloud in there. So that's exciting. All right. If I can find my Sharpie, where is it? Oh, it fell. No wonder. I'm like, it's always in there. All right, guys, sorry. So sorry. All right, so we're going to mark off a cloud. That's exciting. Okie dokie. Moving on to the next. This one is a very high one, and it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and color this one as red because I know I didn't. I know, looks ugly. But we're going to go ahead and actually do a 20. I usually do half of it, but we're going to do a 20 because, girl, it's a very high one. And yeah, we're not playing around today. All right, so 15, 20. Okay, 20, 20. So $20 gone just like that on that one. Oh my goodness. Next, this is a scratch off. We're going to roll the dice and see which one we are scratching. Number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're scratching off that one. Here we go. Wish us luck. There is some high numbers in here. The highest is always a 20 something. So don't be too scared. That's going to be like, oh my gosh, 60, 50. No, it's a 20 something. All right. So we're doing $12. Let me see if this vacuum still works, y'all. Oh, it does. Awesome. All right. So $12. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. We have a pretty amount. Oh my gosh, there's some hairs. Ew. Y'all, my hair creeps me out. It gives me the eek. I don't care if it's my hair, but it does. Okie dokie. Next, y'all. They're so high. We have $19. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It is what it is, y'all. We're playing with a very high number. So we got to go with the roll and get those punches going. All right, so 19. Awesome. And then this one is my all-time favorite, y'all. I just love it. There are low numbers, so that's exciting. All right, let's roll. We got a 4, so we're going to do a 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a star, so we're adding $5. All right, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we do another one? Let's do another one. I like doing a double on this one. I don't know what it is, but I really do. All right, we have a 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Oh, nice. The little fire plant. All right, so this one is 4. So we're adding 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Okie dokie. Moving on. All right, this one is so high, y'all. This one is $20. I don't think we have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, we do have 20. Okay. I'm surprised. I thought we had less. All right, so we're going to get that 20 out of the way. All right, awesome. Now we're going to move on to the first page. All right, y'all. First page, we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. We're definitely, oh no, we're not going to have an IOU. I was going to say, we're definitely going to have an IOU. No, we're not. There's a 5 over here and over here. So yeah, we're going to do that 5. So we have done that 5, that 6. So we're going to do this 5 now. I had not seen that there was a green here. Let me do it like that because I couldn't see that it was a green color. All right, look at that. We do not have an IOU. Nope. All right, there we go. That's exciting. So now we don't have an IOU. And for those that are wondering, look, you can use a acetone soak off thing. Yeah, I'm too lazy right now. I don't care. This is my PJs. It don't matter. It don't bother me. Look, you can get a paper towel, whatever it is, but it don't bother me. You see that? Ta-da! Gone. Just like that. So use a little bit of acetone and then your permanent marker will, you know, be good to go for the next one. So yeah, so we don't have an IOU. Get that money out of here. Okay, so let's put this bad boy in here. Would it fit here? Yeah, yes it will. All right, there you go. Awesome. So no IOUs. That's exciting. Makes me happy. Let's put that money in here. So this is where we are leaving at, which will be this one. Again, are you serious? We are literally always at the cloud. Always. And also, if you do have a paper clip of mine, they are heavy, so you do need at least 2 to 3 little like challenges or envelope, or unless your envelope is very thick on money, it will not fall. Okay, just so y'all know that, because they are handmade, 3D style, and they do have a weight to it. So yeah. All right, there you have it, guys. That is my little fun little Mario saving reach the sky. I love it. Have been wanting to play for the longest, and I'm so excited we finally play with it. So yay! All right, guys, hope you have a great Saturday. I see you guys tomorrow with Christmas savings. Have a great Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. If you have a 3-day weekend, enjoy it, girl. Bye. Love ya.